Welcome to Agribusiness Edu series, everyone. Today, we're on a mission to elevate your post-harvest banana handling from good to exceptional. We're focusing on keeping those bananas looking and tasting as fresh as the moment they were picked. No more bruised, brown, or mushy bananas, all right? This is about respect. Respect for the ingredients and the hard work that goes into growing these wonderful fruits. And let me tell you, there's nothing more disheartening than seeing bananas go to waste because of improper handling after they're harvested. So get your notepads ready, sharpen your knives, and pay close attention because this information is invaluable. We're going to cover everything from harvesting to storage, and by the end of this, you'll be an expert in banana handling. Let's get started. All right, everyone, let's gather around and listen closely. Harvesting is the first critical step, and it's important to get it right. We're not talking about picking unripe green bananas. We want those bananas at their peak with just the right amount of yellow. And please use the right tools. A blunt machete can bruise those delicate fruits quickly. Aim for clean cuts, everyone. And please handle those bananas gently. Handle them with care, all right? One bruise can lead to another, and soon you'll have a rotten mess on your hands. So you've harvested your bananas. Now we need to clean them up. That sticky latex, it can lead to flavorless, discolored bananas. Let's remove it. Water submersion, spray washing, even a little alkaline dip. There are effective methods to do this. It's important not to skip this step. It's essential. We're aiming for pristine, clean bananas, ready for the next stage. This isn't just any cleaning process. It's about precision and attention to detail. Let's get it right. Now, it's time to carefully separate the high-quality bananas from the rest, ensuring that only the best make it through. Size is important, wouldn't you agree? Consistent sizing leads to consistent ripening, which is exactly what customers prefer. Customers appreciate knowing what to expect when they buy a bunch of bananas. And let's not forget about defects. Blemishes, scars, uneven ripening, these can all lead to bananas being set aside. Be discerning. Chapter 4. Packaging and transport handled with care, please. You've done great so far, let's keep it up. Packaging. It's more than just placing bananas in a box. We need protective padding, ventilation, and proper stacking. It's important to ensure the bananas can breathe. And please, maintain a consistent temperature. A smooth ride in a temperature-controlled truck is essential. Treat these bananas with the utmost care, and you'll ensure their quality. Chapter 5. Controlled ripening techniques. Ripening, not rotting. Ripening, it's a science, not a guessing game. We're not running a chaotic operation here. Ethylene gas, temperature control, humidity, these are your tools in ensuring even ripening and preventing premature rotting. Get it right, and you'll have perfectly ripened bananas ready to hit the shelves. Get it wrong, and you'll end up with a mushy brown mess. This is about control, about precision, about delivering an excellent product. Chapter 6. Storage and shelf life extension. Don't let them go soft. Storage, the final frontier. Think of it as a safe haven for your bananas, a controlled environment where they can stay fresh and delicious for as long as possible. Temperature, humidity, air circulation, get these right and you'll maximize shelf life. If these factors are not managed properly, you might find your bananas spoiling prematurely. It's important to pay close attention to these details. Every degree, every percentage point matters. Chapter 7. Preventing post-harvest diseases. Hygiene is key. Please pay attention, everyone. We're nearing the end, but it's important to stay focused. Mold and diseases can appear at any time, threatening your valuable bananas. Maintaining hygiene is crucial. Cleanliness is essential. Ensure everything is sanitized, from your hands to your equipment, and always be on the lookout for any signs of issues. One rotten banana can affect the entire bunch. Stay alert. Outro, you're ready, my friend. So there you have it, everyone, the complete guide to post-harvest banana handling. Now you've got the knowledge, you've got the tools, and you're all set to deliver top-quality bananas. Remember, this isn't rocket science. It's about respect for the ingredients, for the process, and for your customers. No more bruised brown or mushy messes. Now get out there, put what you've learned into practice, and show the world what a proper banana operation looks like. And now, by following these best practices, banana farmers can improve their post-harvest efficiency and increase their competitiveness in both local and international markets. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe for more informative guides. Follow Agritania on our socials to get a complete guide on banana cultivation for free.